So let's add some margins to each of the sections. I want some space in between this thing. So go to your style.css and here in the main box type in margin bottom 20 pixels. Now this is going to separate each of the sections a little bit more. Now let's add some margins to the author box as well. So the margin bottom 20 pixels as well. Now I want to add some space to this box as well. So the space here is already full because of the padding. So if you want to separate this, we'll simply type in margin left 20 pixels. And that did not work. So another thing you can do here is instead of typing margin left, you can type in margin right, and instead of positive, you're gonna type in negative value. So this will separate this. So this is just a cool trick you can use in CSS when you're editing the documents. Now I want to do something to this picture. Let's make it a little bit smaller. So go to the image. Oh, I didn't create an image CSS. So go back to index.html and here you're going to take this author box and you're just gonna paste it here again, and here instead of just author box you're gonna type in author box image. So what this does is the image is inheriting the author box as well. Now if I type in width or height 250, 200 pixel. Now this thing got bigger. I want to make it smaller. So 100 pixels. Yes, that looks okay, I guess. Now I want to make a circular image. So what you're going to do is type in border radius 50%. Now the picture's in a circular shape. Let's make it a little bit bigger, so 150 pixels. That looks okay. Now what if I wanted this text to be shown on the right side around here? So what you'll do is simply go to the author box image and type in float left. So now the image is on the left side and the text is on the right side. Now if I want to put this in the middle, so what we'll do is go back to author text here and we're simply going to add in a margin here. So margin top 20 pixels, and that doesn't do anything. What if you type in margin bottom minus 20 pixels? Now the links are gone. So if I just do positive here, okay, let's just use margin top. So margin top, let's try 200 pixels. Now the thing's gone. Alright, so the way this is working is it's creating a lot of space here. So instead of using margin, let's use padding. So padding top 200 pixels. Okay, let's use 20 pixels. It kind of works, but Okay, 40 pixels, 60 pixels. Okay, now it looks a little good. I want to add some space on the left side as well, so padding left 20 pixels. So 20 pixels isn't working, so we're just gonna increment this. So 40 pixels doesn't work, 60 pixels doesn't work, 100 pixels still doesn't work. Okay, what about 150? So if you put 180 pixels here, now it shows up, but now the links are like this. What you'll simply do, let's just move the links outside the author box. So this doesn't really look that good, but if I want, I can just create another div class and put the links inside it, then maybe move that around a little bit to make it look better. So yeah, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll talk about the relative and absolute elements.